Hey everyone, I am Kanchan Sardana from RPIT Campus Vistara, Karnataka. Hope you all are doing well. So today we will discussing about the suspension. So what are suspensions? Suspensions are the biphasic liquidosis form in which our solid medicament is suspended in the suitable solvent for the poorly soluble drugs with the addition of any suspending agent which increases the solubility of the drug in which undergo the aggregation when they kept for the longer period of time. So then comes the type of suspension. How many types of suspensions are there? So first, depending upon the proportion of the solid, suspensions are of two types: concentrated or diffusible solid. Concentrated suspensions are those in which our solid content of the particles is more than or equal to 50%. Then it forms the concentrated suspension which get easily redispersed. Then dilute or indiffusible solids, these are the suspensions in which our solid content is comprised of the 2 to 10% of the solid content in it, which can be easily get redispersed and they diffuse in the solvent. So these are two types of the suspension which are on the basis of proportion of solid. Another type of suspension is depending upon the use or route of administration. They are oral suspension which are taken by mouth, parenteral suspension which are taken by injection, ophthalmic which are introduced by the help of a dropper, and external use which are applied to the skin, and our solvent get evaporated and medicament applied to the skin. Then comes the depending upon the nature and behavior of suspension. It is of two types: flocculated and deflocculated. So flocculated suspensions are the suspensions in which our solid is dispersed in the solvent. Means particles are of uniform size and they get dispersed everywhere. Then in deflocculated, what happens? Our particles settle at the bottom, redispersed, and they easily get settled at the bottom easily to form a hard cake. So what is the difference between flocculated and deflocculated? In this, particles are of uniform size. They contain particle size of different sizes, maybe large, maybe small. And deflocculated, rate of sedimentation of deflocculated is high and slow in the flocculated. Then it forms the hard cake, but flocculated do not form the hard cake. And stability of the flocculated is high and stability of deflocculated is low. And the supernatant, the liquid which is present in the upper layer, is clear in deflocculated because all the particles settle at the bottom, and in the flocculated is opaque because particles gather in the solvent also. Deflocculated can easily redisperse while shaking, but flocculated form the soft cake but do not get redispersed easily. So this is all about the difference between the flocculated and deflocculated, which include the type of suspension. Thank you.